Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Kiki Well with Byram House. I bought a wig from Amazon for $27 something. Of course, I'm super excited. You know, I like to buy cheap stuff. Even though, mind you, cheap doesn't always mean you're going to get you're getting a great product for an affordable price. Cheap sometimes just means cheap. You know what I mean? Not so nice, poor quality. You know what I mean. Okay, so, but this was really cheap. I couldn't ignore it. This is a headband wig that I bought off of Amazon, and this is what it looks like. Has that natural looking, like for like natural looking kinky hair, like you know what I mean, kinky straight hair. And then it came with a headband, and it came with wig caps. I don't know if I want to use a wig cap. The wig cap is very light, just way lighter than my skin. So I don't know. I have other wig caps at home. I might probably be using those instead, or using one of them. Okay, so I don't. This is what happens when you wake up at 2:30 something in the morning, and you don't have a lot to do. You make yourself pretty, or you try different stuff, or you know what I mean. Yeah, you do stuff. Okay, so keep watching. If you have not subscribed to my channel yet, what are you waiting for, sis? Let's be virtual family. Virtual family. This week is by, it says A1S1 Queens. That's the brand, A1S1 Queens. Okay, and this is in the color 1B. So keep watching. So in order to get my hair all, sleek and ready for this, I don't know what products I'm going to use, but I'll show you as I go. Okay, first I know I most definitely need some water because this hair is dry. My gosh, it's winter and the heater is on, and so of course my hair gets really dry during the winter because of that heater, and then my hair breaks a lot. So I'm about to start a growth system as well. Just a growth system, try it out, see if it works or not. Because this hair just needs some love and care, like badly. At this point, I use Carol's Daughter Secret Tear to Detangle and Pattern Leave-In Conditioner by Tracy Ellis Ross. Okay, so I'm going to use a headband to help me. Okay, it's a glass bottle. I like to braid my cornrow for a wig when my hair is wet, because then I don't have to do many cornrows for it to lay flat. You know what I mean? So it doesn't look as neat, but I don't care as long as it lays flat, so the wig does not have parts that are sticking out and just too bumpy. You know what I mean? Okay, so now a cute little headband can come off. And then let's see, what are we doing? What should we use? I'm going to try using jam. Okay? This is the extra hold one, more likely the extra hold. Now, so the jam wasn't enough to slick my hair down like I wanted it. So I had to add 24-hour edge control by Ebin of New York and got to be glued gel to get the hair slicked down like I wanted it. Alright guys, because I don't want to wait, I'm going to just blow dry on low heat the front. Okay, so you can dry up a little bit quicker. I know a lot of you are apprehensive about putting heat on your hair, but what is black hair without some heat? Like, what is black hair without some heat? Okay, I'm okay with it as long as it's not a lot. Okay, so now we're going to try our wig on, and we'll go from there. But look at, I had to use a little bit of that colored edge because we had to wipe away Oh, the white hair is because this head is not the White House. You hear me? Okay. So, I mean, it's not completely, lost, but it's better than before. So, keep watching. Did you forget to subscribe to my channel? Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, guys. So, keep watching. Alright, guys. So, we got our wig cap on. Now, I'm going to say this hair is like cologne on a piece of elastic. You hear me? Don't listen to me. I mean, it has that cologne feel. I was a bit scared to put a hot comb on it. Anyway, it's very cheap, honey, and it's acting like it. So I just did a little brush down with my wig brush that you saw me use earlier. So we're just gonna put this on, right? We're gonna try it. Oh wow, I think I really like this. I think I'm liking this idea of, oh, this is so pretty. Okay, so there's a wig comb here, let's get it in. And there's one here as well, let's get it in. Okay. Oh, not bad. Let me get the back pin. The back here. Oh! Of course, I am loving. Okay, so this headband wig thing. Yes, girls, keep watching. Let's see how we end up looking. So I brushed it down a little bit, and now we're gonna put on our headband. Girls, I am loving this headband wig for $27. Y'all get me? Yes. This is pretty. Okay guys, so I am done and this is what it looks like. It looks really good. I am loving this headband wig thing. So maybe we'll be doing a whole lot of headband wigs around here. You know what I mean? Like this hair is very soft, and like I said, it's cologne texture, but very soft. Wow, this is nice. But I don't think this is the type of hair you want to use any heat on or put a lot of oil on. You just want to leave it as is and don't get it wet. I don't think if you get it wet, it's going to last long. So in order to, keep this wig looking this good and for it to last long, you want to brush it often. Don't get it wet. Don't put oil on it. Just don't do anything to it, okay? When you wear it, take it off. Wear it, take it off. Make sure your hair is clean before you put it on, so you don't, need to wash it or find a way to clean it. And you probably don't want to wear this under the sun where you could get, sweaty and all that. This is a headband wig I made out of really, really soft soft knit fabric, the kind of fabric that you use to make t-shirts. It's really soft and I like the colors. See, how does that look? How does that look? I like this headband. I might use my own headbands instead of theirs. This is another headband that I made for myself. And it's looking real cute. Now this is a little thinner, but it doesn't matter. It doesn't matter. You know what I mean? Ooh. And then there was this headband. This one is especially hard to put in because it's a very tight headband. I made them to be extremely tight. but it's really cute. And I have the black for it as well. And then I have this type of cotton headbands made with Ankara fabric. But I'm actually really going to make a lot of headbands with cotton fabric. This is 100% cotton with just a little bit of wax on it. But look at that. Look at how pretty that looks. But yes, girl, I am loving this headband wig thing. So of course I cannot go through every headband that I have. And then I don't mind wearing it like this. I actually like it like this. You know what I mean? I actually really like it like so. Just guys, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and thank you for watching.